cut this. So add all with the index. So you can add a few more elements. Then we can play around that. So John, I can add some duplicate elements. So some of the elements we added on that position. So it will go and add those positions in the index one, that means second position. So SYUT, and we can say values. Okay, so let's print this, execute this code. See, now you can see here Python, Django. So Jan is so two times. It said duplicates allowed in the list. So duplicates will be allowed in the list. So, and all the values also there. Okay. So this is how you can insert the elements in the specified place. So now I want to show you the demo on retain all. Okay. So retain all iterator also we have to see, right? Iterator also have to see. So let me show you the iterator, then I'll go for the iterator method. So iterator method, just iterate the collection. Your collection will be iterated. So iterator, so it equal to al dot iterator method. Can iterate the all the elements. So one by one you can iterate here. Then you loop it. So while loop and check if the element has exist and get that element. You can get the element or you can remove the element, anything you can do. So both in the iterator you have a add method as next method, next method as next method, and remove method is there. So if you see, if you put a it dot, and you can see has next to remove and add method also there. So next method is also there. So any one you can use, which one you want, it's up to you. So I want to use a next method. So I want to get that IT variable value. So what value is there in that? So then I can just print that. So this is how you can iterate. In one of the interview, they just asked, okay, if this element is there, just remove that. Then you need to call here while iterating, and you have to put some condition. If the it dot next dot equals Alisa, and then call it dot remove. Okay, so that's how the program they will ask some logical questions. So if this collection has Alisa, you need to get it first with it dot next. Then you compare in the if condition, you compare. Okay, so you have to write like this. So this is the recently I faced this question. Remove that Alisa from the list. You can directly remove, but with iterator they ask to remove. If it is present, delete it. They're asking it dot next dot equals. So the value, the equals method as Alisa. So if it is there and they're asking to remove it. So I can say it dot remove. And you're just removing that one only. If it is Alisa is there, remove it. And then print, if you want, you can print that value now. All the collection you print it, it is going to be deleted. You can see that. So AL collection. See now Alisa is gone. Oh, somewhere bracket. Yeah. So print ln, right? Yeah, bracket is missing. See now, still Alisa is there. ALISA. Removed, right? Still we are getting. And remove. That's value. I don't want this to print. Right. After removing. Yeah, so now it has gone, right? See, after removing, you don't have anything. So the Alisa has gone. So this kind of questions they will ask you. So make sure you attempt that. And then next one, how to iterate. So iterate through for each loop. So for, and you can say here the data type is not there for this collection. If data type is not specified for this collection, you can treat this collection data type as an object. So the object is going to be the data type. So that's what first you need to pass object data type of the collection name, right? Object. So element colon collection. And you can just print. So the element. So you can put that all this, see, these are all printed. And you can do with, so for each loop also, the for loop. We can separate. For each loop. And I can put for loop. So for loop you can use, so int I equal to 0, you have to start from first element, then I less than al dot size. So till last element you go and I plus plus. So you can access list elements through collection also. So the same thing we can do here. So just so SOT and al dot get. So to access each element, L dot get of I. So L dot get of I will fetch the element in this index. The index first 0 and keep iterating that. So that's how we can iterate 3 ways. One is with iterator, one is another one for each loop, another one is with a normal for loop. It doesn't change, same. Same procedure, right? So this is how you can access the elements, and you can iterate the elements. Accessing is through get method. The collection list elements you can access with the get method, get of index. Here in the for loop, always index is going to be I, the variable. What are the variable you are giving here? So that variable is the index number. So that we are passing. Okay. Now the retain all. So retain all is, so al dot retain all, and you have to tell which one you want to retain. So I am going to tell arrays dot as list. So I'm going to retain maybe some of them. I'll just keep these things. I'll keep only these things. Okay. So these are the things I want to keep. Remaining all I want to delete. Remaining all means Python 2.45a, everything I'm deleting. So now you print this. After deleting, after retaining, see only these are retained. Right? Remaining all deleted. So that's the retaining retain all method. Retains whatever you provided from the collection. Remaining will be removed. So the last method that is clear method. So it removes all the elements from the collection. So no elements will be there. It's a void method. Just so after clear, you should not have any elements. After clear, so the AL collection is going to be empty. It should be empty. See, it is empty. Nothing is there. Okay. So that's all about array list. Let's go and write some interview questions. So, very important for us. Writing interview questions is important. These are okay. So I just shown you how to use them. And so let's write all the, so some of the programs and interview programs. Okay. So let's go and target the interview programs. There's a lot of interview programs will come on the collections. So even you can have, so the main method, and we'll write here one by one method. Private, so void. And what you need to do, so first program is, we have to arrange even numbers at the beginning, odd numbers at the latter. So latter of even numbers. So your array will be given to you as an input to the method, and based on that array elements, so the elements will be in zigzag order. So it won't be in the order. So you have to arrange them in the even numbers first, all even numbers from that array. Then after all even numbers, next odd numbers should be arranged. So how can we do that? So that is what the first program, private void. So uh, I'll just put set even first, latter, odd. So that's the method name I have given, but you can give any method name. Okay, so int array name. Okay, so I'll write a program here so that you can understand easily what we're doing. So write a program to arrange even numbers at the beginning and then odd numbers. So of the given integer array. So I'm just giving us integer array. So here you take any elements, right? So 1, 2, 5, uh, 7, 8, 11, and this give 20. So like this, you can just declare the array. It's up to you how you want. So first these two are it's not in the order also. So it's not in the even number order. So generally this is 1, 2 is in the order, but that's not the one we want. We want even numbers first. Even numbers means 2, 4, 8, 20. Then you need to arrange odd numbers 1, 5, 7, 11. So this is the way you need to arrange. So for this, you need to take, so you can use, right, add method, add all method, two methods we are using in this to solve this problem. Why? Because add all is, I'm going to take a two array list. One is even array list and second one is odd array list. I'll create a two array list. So all the even numbers from the array, I will add to even array list and all the odd numbers to the odd array list. Then you, with the add all method, you can add even number first, even number list first, add all odd number list. So that both will be joined. Add all will join both of them, right? So that's what this program is going to be done. That's so easy. So just using add and add all method. So add method to add one by one element. If it is a even from this array, add to the even array list collection. So let's create this. I'll just first print this array. So array before arranging. Arrays dot as list, and I'll just give a array name so that it will print all the elements. I'm creating a non-static method, so we created so many static methods. I just want to create object for this, and I will call this method. Okay, so we need to experiment non-static methods also, and then so let's create a array list. So list. So I'm going for the generic concept. So even list equal to new array list. So that's it. So we will add this. So import first, import this. So both are imported. Fine. Same way, create odd even. So odd list, odd number list. So now we iterate this array. We iterate the array. So the next step is iterate the array for So int I equal to 0, I less than num dot length and I plus plus. So this is the concept, and also you can do that. First filtering you have to do. If the array element, right, array element, num, right, num is the array. Our array is a num. Percentile by 2 is equal to 0. Then that's an even number. So that even number, you add it to the even list. So even list dot add. So I'm adding. So num of I. So this is the one approach you can do. And even same place you can add else part. Else you can just do that odd list dot add. So it's a num of I. That's it. Okay, so we are good. Now you get proper. Now combine both lists with add all method. See the methods even list dot add all. I need to give other all list. Then print it. So after arranging the list is, you just need to call even list because you're adding to even list, right? This all list is you're adding to even list. So even list you need to print. So how can you call this? So just create object for this. So interview programs IP equal to new interview programs. So IP dot set, and you have to give array.
Ramesh, can you increase little bit font?
Font, okay.
Yeah, I think I feel very small.
Yeah, I also feel that. It's very. Let me increase. Where we can increase the settings, we can go. Size, font size. Is it good now?
Yeah, little bit better. Can you please put 18? We'll see.
18.
Oh.
Yeah. So here it is not increasing, but here it is increasing.
Oh.
Editor side, why it's not? 1 minute. What is this error? Okay, I need to view the error list.
Here, go to tools and settings, Ramesh. Maybe their font size is different. Yeah.
To increase the font size in editor, there's an option in under view.
Yeah, edit.
Where?
Under view.
On the view? Oh, okay. So view.
Yeah, correct.
Increase font size in all editors. If you go down.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, that's good. Where is that?
Come down. Advanced settings.
So this is the font size here. Okay. All editors.
Mhm.
Generally, one minute. Let me check with ChatGPT. Quickly we'll get answer. That's the best option. So we don't want to waste time there. So how to increase the font size in IntelliJ. Right. And Control Shift here. File settings.
Preferences. Navigate.
Sweet.
That is Mac OS. Windows is different.
Navigate editor font. File settings.
Yes. Yes.
You put at 20.
No, 18 is enough, Ramesh.
Hmm?
18 is enough.
18 is
20 is
enough.
better.
Huh?
Yes.
Right. It's not increasing.
Hmm.
It's changing for me for some reason.
Hmm?
I'm trying the same thing. It's changing for me.
Changing for it?
Yeah.
Oh, bit surprised, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Go to edit and
There is a shortcut zoom in, Control Shift plus. Shift plus. I'm doing that. It's not happening. Your mouse wheel also not working for me. Oh, okay. Good. Finally, we got it.
Oh,
Are we good?
yes, yes, no. Yeah, now it's good.
Yeah. Okay, control wheel, you can use mouse wheel. That's doing magic. Yeah, so you can see now, let's see all coming or not. Right? Perfectly working, right? So this is the how you can so do the programs, because this is the kind of programs they will keep on asking you. So you have to be very careful on those programs. There's a lot of programs there, keep asking and are doing this kind of programs. And also there are a few more programs. Let's join back and because we in the middle, I don't want to stop. Once you join and we'll discuss that how to reverse an array list in place. That is the one, and also how to find duplicate elements in the given that one. We'll find out all this. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.